Good morning, traders. Nick Mastrandrea with Market Tea Leaves, just here to bring you our daily bias for Monday, March 18th. It's approximately 6:15 a.m. on the East Coast. This particular video is being shot a bit earlier in the morning. But first and foremost, I wanted to thank and welcome our new subscribers. Those of you who subscribed over the weekend, thank you, and welcome to Market Tea Leaves. And it's important to note that subscribing will guarantee that you do receive market bias in the morning. And those of you who have not subscribed yet, I would strongly advise you to do so, because in the future only subscribers will be receiving this video. It is not available to the general public. That being said, let's take a look at the markets as they stand. First, we'll take a look at Asia in terms of what happened last night. Basically, all of Asia fell, and fell pretty much to the tune of triple digits. If we take a look at Europe as it stands right now, Europe is trading down. It's been trading down all morning long. And if we were to take a look at the U.S. markets in terms of the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ, they're all trading to the downside at this time. A lot of this is due to, I guess, what happened over the weekend in terms of the Cyprus rescue. Apparently, the Eurozone and the IMF decided they were going to bail out Cyprus. However, they were going to charge depositors a levy of up to 9.9% in terms of the money that they had deposited in their banks already. This is unprecedented, and time will tell if this is whether or not this is a one-day event, or if whether or not it will extend into something a bit more serious. At this particular point, we don't know. In terms of market correlation, as it stands, if we were to take a look at the U.S. dollar, U.S. dollar is up. It's been trading up all morning long. If we were to take a look at energies in terms of crude, crude is trading down. It's been trading down all morning long. Financials in terms of the bonds, basically they're all pretty much up across the board. And they've been up all morning long. The indices have been down. They've been down all morning long. Gold is trading much higher. Now, one thing I want to make note of, in terms of gold, I suspect that the reason why gold is trading higher is due to the fear factor. In other words, because of what's going on in Europe, because of the Cyprus bailout, people are, I guess, harboring money in a safe haven, and they feel that gold is that safe haven. Basically, this is typically called the fear factor, and that's why we're seeing this huge spike in gold right now. But if we take a look at the rest of precious metals, they're all pretty much to the downside. However, our bias is to the downside today, very simply because both the U.S. dollar and the bonds are trading much higher. This is not bullish for the markets. It's not bullish for the indices, and therefore our bias is to the downside today. Thanks. Hope this helps, and look forward to the next time with you.